Hi guys. So in this example I will explain to you how we can use wire with dynamic parameters. So we will be uh, using a method, apex method, where we will passing math industry, and based on that industry we will filter out accounts, and this we will do using wire. So let's see how we can use wire in this case. So if you see, we have written a apex method where we are passing industry and it should be cacheable. Okay. And based on industry we are returning queries. So if industry is null, then we are returning uh, all the accounts, else we are returning accounts based on industry. And in the JS class, what we are doing is we are calling this get industry method, get industry method, which we have written on account controller. So in order to use that method, we have to import that first using this import statement. And whatever the where we use for that method, let's say we are using get accounts by industry, so we will use this, and we will pass this parameter industry colon, then this industry and dollar sign. Okay, so we have to use dollar sign here guys, so this is important. Okay, so that whenever value is changes for the industry from UI, it will be reflected here, and this method will be called every time this industry value is changes, and it will get the latest value. So it's working on the cache concept. Okay, so value is cached, but when parameter value is changed, then previous cache is stalled, and then we can get again fresh data. Okay, so in wire we use mostly the data we don't want which we don't want frequent change, and it's just for get data. If you want update, delete and insert, then we can use imperative apex, which I will explain to you in next session. So here what I am going to explain to you is using wire we can pass parameters. Okay, using this parameter we can get list of accounts, and we can display all the accounts in the same way we were displaying earlier. Okay, and this is the input where we are the uh, where we are providing input for the industry. Now let me show you the UI. Here in the initial screen we will see all the accounts. Now we can filter it out. Let's say I put energy. Now we will see all the accounts where industry is energy. Okay, if I remove energy, then I will see all the accounts. Now if I put constructor or constructor, then I will see industry accounts related to construction. So guys, and guys, one more thing, whenever you are doing query, whatever data, whatever you use in the where clause, you have to use in the you have to use that field while query, otherwise your query will return all the result. Okay, uh, otherwise this filter will not work properly. I will show you. Let's say I have removed industry here. Okay, after removing this industry, what will happen when I am querying? Let me show you that. Let me hard reload. On the initial screen you will see all the accounts with industry, because there we are using industry while fetching account. But when we are uh, you know uh, uh, providing industry value, in that case we are not using now industry field while fetching SQL. So will see that correct account is not faced here. Okay guys, so what you need is whatever you are using in the where condition, make sure you are using that inside SQL as well. Okay. Okay guys, if you have any question or doubt, please put your question in comment. I will meet you in next session. Thank you.